Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your packing slip settings. This video will go over setting the correct paper size and template for your packing slips. This will only cover the basic settings for matching your packing slip to your labels and printer. If you're looking for help setting up a custom packing slip template, check out the link on your screen to watch our detailed video. To start, click on Settings in the top right of the app, then click on Packing Slips on the right side under Label Sizes and Printing Options. There are two items we'll be setting up on this page: the paper size and the template that's applied when printing. We have two places to determine the paper size. Up top with these images, where you set the paper size for if the packing slip is printed after you generate the label on the Ready to Print and Shipment History pages. And this middle drop-down, where we determine the paper size when the packing slip is printed before buying labels on the Orders page. At the top, our options are 4x6 and 8.5x11. Though the 4x6 looks like it's in portrait, it will actually only print in landscape mode. The 8.5x11 packing slip will print in portrait mode as shown here. The next two options with gray coloring are meant to illustrate that these options are selectable, but are done on the labels page. If you use 8.5x11 paper where half of it is a peel-off sticker, and the other half is meant for the packing slip, you'll want to go to the labels page by clicking on the link under the option you want. Likewise, if you use the combo slip as pictured here. The middle drop-down has the same selections, but also includes 8.5x11 in landscape mode in addition to portrait. Once you've made your selection for paper size and orientation, scroll down to the bottom and make your selections for the template. If you haven't made any custom templates, these will only have the defaults available. If you've made new templates, this is where you can set them as active. You can have a different active template for domestic and international shipments if that makes sense for your business. Now this sets the default active template for all domestic and international shipments, unless you further customize what shipments receive what packing slips by using a rule. Hit the Save button at the bottom, and I'll show you a simple way to do this. I'm going to show you this rule by going to Settings in the top right again, then Rules on the right side under Shipment Settings. The rule here called eBay Packing Slips is what I want to show you. I set up an if-then statement where if the store is eBay, it gets assigned my specific eBay packing slip. This type of rule allows you to further customize which packing slips are used when. Just remember you have to make the packing slips first, so be sure to check out the guide on packing slip creation by clicking Guide at the top of the page, then open the Basic Shipping Setup section and select Packing Slip Creation. Thanks for watching, everyone!